In this video I'm going to show you how to run the Ezigrade Rainfall Simulation routine. If you look towards the bottom left here where the icons for the docking panes are, you can see the couple of little raindrops there. And if you leave your mouse on it, says rainfall, so click on that. Now you can change the number of elements in a grid. It's a grid-based system, so we can put a new number in there if you want. You can put I'll just leave it 200. And you can change the colour there as well. Cyan's as good as any. When you're ready to go, press start. And the routine dumps a certain amount of rain on the surface, and then it just shows you what happens as it runs off. You can see the high points are already dry, so it's going towards the low points. If you look on the bottom left here, this is an indication of how much water is left on the field from when we started. That's the start. And these are a number of iterations. We've got up to 400. There's a volume it'll be cubic meters. If it's your job in feet, it'd be cubic feet. As I said, it's only a simulation, so I wouldn't take too much credence in these numbers. Probably the graph's more important on how it's working. You can see what's happening here. There's a couple of spots up here where the water can't flow off any further. There's a couple of spots at the bottom I know of too, so the water's starting to accumulate here. You should see this starting to flatten off soon once all the water's migrated to these holes. Yeah, we've sort of hit the curve, the knee of the curve there now. Now you can press end any time, it'll stop it, or if you just let it go, it'll stop when there's no more water flowing off the field, or there's no water left on the field. Because here we've got these ponding areas, it's just going to wait till so it's getting close. It's still slightly dropping there somewhere. There's still some water flowing out somewhere. As I said, you can finish this if you want to. I'll just let it keep running. Now, I think I might end it. Just click end so it stops it. It would have finally stopped. A good thing to do is compare it to the design surface. We've actually did a design on here where we smoothed a lot of these things out. So press start again. And we'll start again. Now it's picking up the surface we're using here, which is the design surface. You can see here, because it's a lot smoother and stuff, the actual water's starting to flow off faster. You can see there's a bit of a channel running down here on this side of the field. You can see the water's running down here, then spreading out a little bit. And it's sort of flatter towards the bottom. It's still escaping at the bottom here. So you can see we haven't got the knee of this curve anymore because the water's flowing off. And we're finished now, so that's sort of an indication that our design's worked, and it's also a good indication too there's no water sitting on the field anywhere. I'll come back with another video shortly showing a dam.